one more time. You have to go all the way, even if you sink. I'll give you sandals. Try! Keep going! I'll give you sandals. Keep going. All of a sudden, don't slip. Oh my God, you actually made it. Curtis, you liar. Oh, you'll think. You'll think.
No, yeah, I actually believe him because by Camden there's this river and it all fucking went down like this. This huge river and it was all like fucking jello and you sink right into it.
Really?
Like quicksand.
Like that stuff or no?
Yeah, but worse, it would be like you tap on and go, it would jiggle like jello. Like, seriously.
That's hilarious. This sand's not too great either. It's not even sand, it's like clay.
No, it's like fucking jello.
Look at all the dog prints.
Dog. Oh, is that a fire pit?
Yeah, it's on fire.
It was fire, seriously.
We can on the res, but this one's like water.
What happened to this one?
Too much water for a fire pit.
Fucking heck. There's cameras here, you figure it out.
Just fucking yank it out.
Now it's having a good time with us. Getting drunk.
What? I don't even, which way is the way back up?
That way.
We gotta go like,
We can always go that way, can't we?
can't we? Oh, there's stairs.
Yeah.
Let's go that way. There's stairs.
That's Cam mentioned. Fucking turkey butt.
What? Turkey who?
He calls me a turkey.
Why?
I don't know, he always calls me a turkey. That's fucked.
Who? I almost said who, Curtis. I meant to say who, Cam.